Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a little mod to the Model 3. We got this wheel cover that EV Base company reached out, sent them to me. We already have one on just because we wanted to make sure we knew how to do it first. It's really easy actually. The factory wheel covers, I'll show you guys real quick. That's what the factory looks like. I have a long range all-wheel drive, that's what they come with. Basically you just grab on it, you pull it off. You're gonna have to kind of tug on it a little bit, and then these new ones you literally just line it up, make sure the valve stem lines up to the spot right here, and just push it in. It's super easy. And then it also comes with the option to get this little Tesla wheel cover on it, or this Tesla center cap as well right there, or you can get some blank ones. So let's go ahead and get the rest of these wheel covers off and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Before we start doing that, just want to show you what it looks like. So this is how it looks like with the regular factory wheel covers on it. So you guys can get a good look of a before and after. This here's a little bag that comes with the wheel cover caps. So these ones are the blank ones. These ones right here, these are just black. You guys can see there. It comes with this tape that I'm not too sure on what this is used for. We didn't end up using it on the car, so I don't know what the tape's used for, but it comes with this adhesive promoter and also comes with these spare caps if you guys don't want the Tesla logo on them. But I like the Tesla logo, so I put it on mine, but just so you guys know what's included. All right, guys, once you take off your wheel covers, you'll see the factory wheel design hidden behind it, and it'll most likely be extremely dirty because once you clean your wheels, it just cleans the covers, it doesn't clean the actual rim. So super dirty. We're gonna actually have to clean that up a little bit here. All right, guys, we got the Tesla factory wheels all cleaned up. Let me know what you guys think of that design, if we were to rock that design there. But one thing to keep in mind is that the factory wheel covers actually scratch the rim a little bit. So if you do drive around without wheel covers on your car, you will have, basically it looks like you curbed your wheels because the factory wheel covers already scratched them. At least on mine it did. Here's the back there. So what do you guys think of that design there? I think it looks pretty cool. It's not a bad option. And then we're working on the other side right now. That one's a factory one. That one's with the wheel cover. You guys can kind of see the difference there. This one's more of like a blacked out look. Everything looks kind of the same. This one kind of pops a little bit more. It looks better in person than it does on the camera, to be honest with you. But we're gonna put on all the wheel covers and see what the end result is. All right, guys, just finished up. Show you guys what the final result looks like. You can see there, kind of gives a little bit of style. Show you guys a little side view here. Not bad at all. Actually looks pretty good on camera, like the color and everything. So now, my Tesla looks different than everyone else's, just because mine has these aftermarket wheel covers on it. I'll rock these for a little while. I'll see how I like them in time. Still have the factory wheel covers, so if I want to put the factory ones still on or back on, I can. But if you guys want to add this to your car, feel free to check out the link. I'll put a link to EV Base's website and this product in the description. In other news, check how clean this interior is. Just cleaned the interior the other day. Nice and clean. Clean the little Alcantara. The nice thing about Teslas is that the interior is so easy to clean because it's so simple that cleaning it is actually enjoyable. It's not like some cars where there's so many buttons and complicated areas and stuff. Floor mat's a little dirty. I did ride it earlier, but now it's nice and clean. Check that out. Clean dashboard, clean everything. This literally, to clean the whole entire car, vacuum and everything, it literally took like 15-20 minutes tops. And it looks this nice. Now granted, I didn't let it get super dirty, but this is great. All right, guys, before we end out this video, just wanted to give you guys a walk around out here in the open. The new wheels or I was gonna say wheels and tires, of the new wheel covers on my 24 Model 3 long range. We got planes, of course. Makes it look a little better, you know, because it has a little bit of contrast, because everything on the car is kind of dark. It's gray, it's black, and the wheels kind of give it a little bit of a contrast there. Check out the link in the description. I'll link these products and also EV Base's website, so you guys can use my discount code, save yourself some money on these here wheel covers and all the other accessories on their website. I also made another accessory video on the Tesla going over their trays for the center console, like organization. Those have been working great as well, so definitely check those out. But if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.